Hello, today we're going to be doing the sound My turn, your turn. Good. Let's look at the picture. This is net. When you see this, say net, and when you see this, say net. Net. Nanette. Good. Fred's come out. He's going to whisper some words into my ears. I'm going to sound them out and you're going to blend them and say the word. P. Nip. Ag. Nag. Et. Net. It. Knit. Good. Now we're going to find in our pile of cards. Remember to say all the other sounds. And when you see point. Here we go. G, s, x, d, e, sh. Special friend. Y. G again. Right, I'm going to shuffle again. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. S, d, x, e, sh, yeah, g. Well done. Let's try some reading of words. The first one has in the beginning. Let's do it. Ready? Et. Let's do some Fred says out loud. Et. Net. The word is net. There we go. There is a net for fishing. The next word has at the end. Let's do it together. Bin. Bin. A bin. Oh, there we go. It's a bin. I've got another one with a at the end. It's the word run. Run. Let's do a Fred in the head. And that is when we sound it in our head. Again, oh, Fred's very excited today. We're going to sound it out and we're only going to say it when I push it out. Van. Let's see if you're right. Yes, it's a van. Well done, everybody. What I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to go in your jotters and I would like you to write the word nap, nip, and nag. Then I would like you to practice writing your and I'd like you to look around your house and see what words begin with a but also what words finish with a Have lots of fun. Bye.